poles.
Hey, welcome back to the vlog. It's been a while. We are currently out here in Utah. We just finished setting up camp. We wanted to show you our brand new tent. Check it out. It's a 91-pound beast made out of duck canvas. It is super easy to set up. It only took us, what, like 5-8 minutes?
Yeah, it was really easy.
We spent more time filming than setting up, but especially with the Spax bolt hack that I displayed in the last video, or a couple videos ago, it made staking in so easy. And kudos to Kodiak for making setup so easy. You only literally need 4 poles to get this giant 10x14 tent set up. Let's check it out. Kaya, lead the way, please. You got the VX version. So there's the normal, there's the deluxe, and then there's the VX. And the only differentiator between all of them is how they vent heat. The VX has windows on all 4 sides of the tent, so we'll show you right now. But as you can see, our tent currently has an awning as well as 2 entryways. And once you're inside, it's 10x14 inside. It's definitely taller than me, maybe by about a foot or 2. And then there's windows with the no CM mesh, where you really can feel like you're outside even though you're inside.
That you can tie up. It comes with one little sleeve gear loft and then an across mesh hanger that you can stick stuff up top. So there's a lot of versatility in the way that you can organize the inside space and where you want to put things. There's obviously so much room.
I'm 5'8.5" on a good day, and I'm like splayed out.
Yeah, got a lot of room.
And there's probably about another 6 feet or so of space where my legs are, so we can have a legit like living room situation in here.
Yeah, I really like these lips. Nice for like keeping out draft, but also having a little more protection against like bringing dust and stuff into the tent.
Yeah, this bottom zipper only goes to here, and then this lip keeps any drafts out from coming in. Really nice materials. They're coated with the hydrophobic coating, but because they're canvas, they also breathe. So whether you're summer or winter camping, it's gonna be nice inside. lot of waiting. It started March 19th.
This morning will be stop number 4.
Let's do it. Time for the angels to land. All right, here we go. Can't sleep on these sticks. Another bad view.
Stops and they do that.
Hello.
Hi.
We are almost to the top of Angel Landing. We just have to do the chain section that you can't see up there. But check out this view. Really long way down. But that's where we were at earlier, along this little route. That goes to the Temple of Sinawava. And then I think this is a good spot for some snacks, some water, and some beef jerky. Woo! You're doing great. View is beautiful, but I'm afraid the rain, we don't want to slip and slide down the thing, so I'm not feeling too good. We're gonna head down and get the heck out of the park. Woo! An experience at Zion, but we had to call it short because it started raining, so we made it to maybe like the final section of the very tip, but then it started raining and we don't want to come down when it's all slippery and wet, and I'd rather not get electrocuted by lightning strike, so we called it. But it was a very good effort. Excited to come back, do that again along with the Narrows and Subways, but for now we're gonna say goodbye to Zion, this wonderful beautiful place and piece of our country.
Hi, Fran. You're beautiful.
Home sweet home. It is dumping. We have the most amazing luck with heavy winds whenever we go camping. Sweet home. We got our refrigerator over there, our cooking kitchen over there, central picnic table, and here's the main window. as we get ready to cook. Pretty windy right now. Know what the best part is about this tent? No? I'll tell you. It's so quiet because it's one heavy canvas and there's no like inner or outer layer. The only thing that we hear are the like zippers. The wind is gusting 30 to 45 miles an hour. It's canvas and there's not like multiple layers like our previous tent. So yeah, we really like this tent so far, mostly because it's so quiet. You can hear how much is rustling these trees. We also like the fact that this tent roof is white because it means that a lot of light gets in, even when we seal up all these doors. Do you like it?
I love it.
I'd say this is my favorite tent so far. What a day. Oh man, that was a doozy. It was raining like crazy, and where we are at in our campsite, like there's a ton of really muddy, rutted out tracks, and there's big signs everywhere saying, hey, if it's raining or if it's winter conditions, do not try to pass this road because you will get stuck. And so we were fighting the weather, the time. We have a nice white canvas that we're trying not to get mud all over because the ground we were at is just like
That red clay.
the red clay, nasty mud. And the tent, because it's canvas, you can't leave it wet for very long or else mold will start growing on it and then you ruin all the hydrophobic coating on it and goodbye tent. So we were doing all sorts of things to try and make sure the tent stays clean, but then trying to figure out a new solution to put the tent into the car without packing it super tight because it's just filled with water. And we finally made it out onto the pavement and our stress level just went from like right here down to like, whew. Now we can kind of chill as we make our way back home. Somehow every time we tent or camp, we face either wind or rain or snow, like almost every time, or extreme heat. What's up with that? But we're definitely putting these tents to the test unintentionally.
Yep.
We can say that the tent is definitely very waterproof. Anyway, here we go. Off, back on the road, back home, hopefully with some lunch. Well, we made it back, and here's one major downfall of having a canvas tent. Even though it's amazing, the space, the conveniences, all the features built in, guess what? It's made out of canvas and it's cotton and you can't leave it wet. So here you see me drying it out in my tiny little backyard patio area before I can fully store it. So I have to spend the whole day kind of propping it up so that it dries out and then I can finally put it away in storage. But until I do that, you're gonna face issues with rot, mold, and all sorts of bad things that happen into the fabric, especially with the coating that they put on it. But that being said, we had an amazing trip. Stay tuned because we have places like Yosemite and Hawaii coming up, and we can't wait to take you there. But thanks again for joining us on this trip out to Zion, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.